Hey, it's Greg Sisson in Myrtle Beach with RE/MAX First Choice. Welcome back to my Myrtle Beach video blog. I'm here with Jeremie West with SAU Insurance, here to answer a few questions for us that we get often. And you know, we're fortunate enough as we're going through the home buying process to get a home inspection, find out about the bones and anything wrong with the home. The seller's property disclosure is provided. We're learning about the house. But now when it comes to insuring this asset that you're buying, that's where Jeremie comes in. So Jeremie, what do we really, as a buyer, what do we need to know when it comes to insuring the property?
Sure. One of the biggest things is that there are options in this area.
Okay.
There are options to insuring different companies, different A-rated companies. We have 15 different homeowners companies that we can offer to give you options, because every home is different. Every home has different year built, different building codes, different style of roof. So it's really finding the policy that fits you best. A lot of the big name companies are great, but when you get close to the ocean down here, they're not always the best. So finding an agent that has the best options and that has a lot of options, and then asking questions, I would say. Find an agent that's going to educate you. Ask the questions as far as, what coverage do I need? Is this covered? Is this not covered? What are my deductibles? You don't want sticker shock when it comes to filing a claim, and then you find out you have a $10,000 hurricane deductible and you had no idea. So ask questions, find an agent that knows the answers and that can answer those questions.
That's terrific, because I think it is important to always be asking great questions. The quality of the question is to the degree of the quality of the response you get. Now here's going to price shock and sticker shock. Are you able, if I'm a buyer and I'm looking at 2 or 3 homes and maybe one's near the water and one's a little further, can you price out insurance for me prior to even before we make an offer with a buyer?
Absolutely. A lot of times agents, you guys will send a home to me, say, hey, what does the price look like for this particular home, and what about this particular home? What's the difference? What are my different options? We can certainly do that.
What's the turnaround time, usually?
Usually within the day.
Wow. And that's a great value as we're looking for homes and buyers that have a certain payment budget. They need to know, what's my insurance going to be?
That's right.
Great. Our buyers do want to comparison shop. When they're shopping for a house, they're looking at 3 to 5 homes and comparing features and benefits. So that's just what we do as consumers, right? So tell me about a home purchaser that wants to shop insurance. Tell us about what the business model is at SAU and how you can kind of do that for them.
Absolutely. It's very similar to what you guys do. You'll find different homes, you'll price shop for them and find what they want and what fits their needs. We can do the same at our agency. Okay. We have, like I said, 15 different companies that we can shop it with.
Oh, wow.
And we can get the best option, the best coverage, the best pricing that fits their needs. We have that luxury to do that. Okay. We also represent Nationwide, which is one of the larger companies as well, so we can shop them if that's what they prefer. But we have a lot of other options as well that could really benefit them.
Good. And I think the moral of the story here is, let him just educate you, tell you the right questions that maybe you're not asking, and then go ahead and start pricing different properties that you're looking for to get that insurance quote. Very, very important. Look, we get a quote from we look what our interest rate's going to be, our mortgage payment. Why wouldn't we be budgeting the insurance? So I think it's a great idea. So Jeremie, thank you so much for coming out today. If you do have questions, please give us a call. We'll put Jeremie's information below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again.